Hi, got another recent discovery to share with you. Yeah, well, it's new to me. You may have seen it before, but I wanted to show you this. Now, yeah, you've seen this mould before. That's not what I'm showing you. I just wanted to explain. Picture the scene. You've got UV resin in this. You're making all your sparkly, glittery things. Your pocket hugs, your pendants, keychains, whatever you're going to do with these rather lovely hearts. I think a lot of us have got this mould. It's a dead popular one. It's very nice. You get your little UV light out. Here's my, as you can see, extremely well used one. And oh no, you can only do bits of your, sorry, that was a bit cheesy, wasn't it? Anyway, you can only do bits of your mould at once. Look, it's all mucky. I need to give it a clean. So that's how well used that little guy has been. It's all mucky. Anyway, yeah, that drives me insane. I have got a whopping big, I don't know where it is at the moment, but a whopping big UV light that they use for curing 3D printing. But it's about that big. I need like a proper gantry to hold that. Anyway, enter Let Resin. Look at this. It's like a UFO to me. Little feet, they just pop out. That's nice because it packs down flat. The usual sort of cable. Plug it into a USB and look at that. Now they've got several new things out at the moment. In particular, there's the two new UV lamps. There's this one, and then there's that kind of complete wraparound one as well. I must get one of those and try it. I really must. Anyway. This was the one they said, would I like a new lamp? And I said, yes, please. This is the one I asked for. Just because of that. It's got lots of lights. They're proper LEDs, so they're really bright. It cures really quickly. I've tried it once so far, and it was brilliant. But for me, it's the fact that it covers that nice big area. And look, the timer's 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. So if you want to be really sure, or if you've got quite a bit of stuff in your glitter, or glitter or... You know what I'm saying. If you've got a lot of stuff in your resin, that's what I was trying to say, and it's blocking the light getting through. We know you'll want to zap it from the back. Well, of course you can turn it over. You can plonk your mould on there. Just don't go staring into the light, because that would be very silly. But you could still do that. Or put a mirror under it. I still do that. But again, watch your eyes. Nobody in their right mind stares into a UV light, do they? Anyway, no, just real quickly, just wanted to show you that because I think that is such a great idea. It's so simple. It's nothing fancy. It's just brilliant shape. There you go, folks. I hope you found this useful. If you fancy treating yourself to one, the link will be below as usual. So, yeah, enjoy. If you get one, enjoy it. See you soon.